In a surprising turn of events, in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections, the electorate in the 17 LAITUMKHRAH MALKI constituency has shifted its support decisively towards the voice of the People's Party VPP. Deity Majaw, representing the VPP, secured victory, defeating sitting MDC Fantin J Lakadong. According to the final results announced today, Indian National Congress candidate Manuel Badwar emerged as the runner-up, losing by a narrow margin of just over 700 votes. This result marks a significant shift in voter preference in the constituency, reflecting growing support for VPP's vision.
Itu pokoknya hidup. Buat hidup game perkat. Ketika nak naik hijau, ketika lajur pula ketika hidup konteks kita betul-betul perkat akan job perkat kita bikin lay tray bagi pro tray kami yang mendap duty yang development yang warna hampir betul betul kelak kan kita betul.
Competition was good. I thought we gave a good fight, at least for my constituency. I can say that. Elections is like that, right? We fight, we win, we lose. It doesn't really matter. But what matters is that the public at large get better governance, and I think the mandate is wholesomely for the VPP, and it's not just out of sheer festivity, but I think it's out of sheer expectations. And I think the expectations is very high amongst the public at large to clean the politics as per what has always been propagated. And I think money will not play any role anymore. And that's a very important thing. And I think it's a very, very, very positive step towards a democracy, a very healthy democracy, I must say. And for which I give my best wishes, in fact, for the VPP. I give my best wishes for every candidate that has come across and won this election. And I believe that Meghalaya will become a better state. At least the politics will change drastically. And we give them the best hope. And we have full support, at least from the Congress, whoever they are. But I have this firm belief that the public at large should also, whatever expectations they have, that should be fulfilled over a period of time. And I think it's very nice for the state as I'm concerned. And I believe that the people at large also will be very happy with this, and we just hope that good governance will come, corruption will come less, and then the public at large will benefit massively from such a result. Yeah?
Ya kadai ka banikong yang kadai ka jingjob ke ka ba ngayo ka jingjob badon borong ai ba kipat ba kisania yang bat kum juro ya parti ne leadership jengi parti jengi kilale ka kam ka badai kila tray minot bat step bat min bat kum ni ruhi ka jingjob bang yo asisha yo tau so mangin khete kadai namar ba kadai ka jingjob jong aru mo apa ai ku blei pa jong aru namar ipa jong ala 100 sin ila job daga direct election but she said mata isha nominate tangayo ihang ni ba kipat ba kisania ipa jong ana mai pa jong aru ilong pru boko de baya ja kalenti de hang nikin ba kipat ba mo ngaling adang shumi thamai hare kadai kataru ba kapati ru kadai kawei but ipa jong aru idiwe ibala not sinyang hakani ka jingjob jong mata kadai katai ba ngui mo ba kipat ba hi kilakwa ka jingkala namar ka VPP ngong mangin wan rai ta ka jingkho ja ka secar khandar ngin ele teng e persya ka bangsam tadi hang ni nga tharai ba kipat ba kisngo e ja ka party